Hello students, welcome to AKS IAS. Before you begin your UPSC preparation, you must have heard a lot of people asking you to read the NCERT textbooks. So, did you ever try to understand why should we read the NCERTs in the first place and why are NCERTs an important aspect of the UPSC preparation? In this video, we'll try to answer these questions. Firstly, the NCERT books are simple and lucid. As these books are written for the school children, they are written in a very simple language and in a lucid manner. Thus, it will help us develop a comprehensive understanding from the base level. Also, these books have been written and published after a great amount of research has been done by reputed people in their specific field, subject experts. After extensive research, people of nationally renowned faculties and teachers, they have come together and done extensive research and have devised these books. Next, the NCERTs are an authentic source of information as the information is published and is provided by the government agencies and institutions. Thus, there is legitimate information which is given in the NCERT books and to an extent that is infallible. The NCERTs are the standard reference books for some of the major exams of this country, and thus the information as well as the questions provided in the NCERTs are also reliable. These books, before they are published, are checked and vetted at various levels of monitoring, and thus they provide correct, reliable, and accurate information for the students. Note that these books provide conceptual clarity as they cover topics in a well-framed manner. They start with the basics and go to the higher level, unlike many other books. Thus, the concepts are built block by block in a gradual manner. So, if you want to get complete hold on the basics of a particular subject, NCERTs will help you in a great way. Also note that they are very easy to study and thus can also save a lot of time for you. It can help you grasp the topics and concepts in a quick manner. If aspirants have enough time, it is always advised to read the NCERTs from class 6th to class 12th NCERT. For all the relevant subjects like history, polity, economy, geography, biology, chemistry, and physics. Also, it is advised that the candidates should revise the NCERT books at least 2 to 3 times before the UPSC examination. In general, for the history, the old NCERT textbooks for the ancient, medieval, and modern Indian history are advisable. Also, while you start reading the NCERTs, fix a time schedule for yourself so that you will be meticulous and disciplined in your reading habits, and try to stick to the schedule and complete the NCERTs so that you get a complete clarity on the subject and you can revise it before the examination. So start preparing your NCERT books today. Also, at AKS IAS Academy, we provide you the free NCERT strategizer, wherein what are the important chapters that you have to refer from the NCERTs and how you go about reading the NCERTs is mentioned. Thank you.